Printing objects has never been so easy thanks to modern 3D printers powered by powerful software and very accessible in terms of price. In this video I'll show you how to print accessories for your retro consoles. Whether you are a fan of PlayStation, Xbox or old Atari, you love these accessories. Here are 3 examples that I want to show you, among the others that I printed to build the background of the studio. This is an Atari cartridge holder. It's very solid, and here the cartridges are in their place. Here are 2 Xbox 360 controllers and 1, 2. Here they are, well seated in their positions on the stand. Finally, look at this stand. It's a vertical stand for PlayStation 2. Just insert the PlayStation 2 and now here she is in a vertical position. But how did I print these things? It's simple to find these models, download them for free and print them with a 3D printer like my Creality Ender 3 V3 key. It's a 3D printer I bought this year, so this is not a sponsored video. Let's start with the first step, finding a 3D model online. Let's go to thingiverse.com, a fantastic website where you can find thousands of free 3D models. In the search bar, type in what you are looking for. For this example, I'll search for PS1 vertical stand. Once you find the model you like, click on it. Here you can find details about the model, including the creator's notes and any additional instructions. Next, download the model by clicking the Download All Files button. Extract the downloaded archive and you'll get 1 or more STL files, depending on the object you will print. Some objects are made of just one part, like this vertical stand. Others are made of more parts to print. My printer is up and running, already connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's open the Creality Print software and import the STL file by clicking Open File. If the model needs supports, the program will indicate this if necessary. With a simple click, the program can create them automatically. Once everything looks good, we select the printer, select the printer calibration. This depends on whether you want to do it or not. In my case, I want to do it here, and then click on one-click printing and we wait for the printer to print the vertical stand. Let's make sure it's going well. Our print is done. Here is the finished PS1 vertical stand. The result is fantastic. The console stands vertically, secured by these brackets. We have seen how to print accessories for retro consoles thanks to an incredible selection of 3D models and the simplicity of modern 3D printers like my Creality. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Bye!